Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick maintenance video we're going to talk through just how easy it is to remove and replace not only the outer foil but also those inner blades from your Panasonic shaver. I've got here the LV67 model, and we're going to talk through just how easy it is to remove that foil and those blades, and then we're going to cover where you can actually purchase those accessories from. It's really straightforward, so let's get to it. First things first, we're going to remove this plastic safety cap here. We're going to press in at the sides and that cap's going to come off really easily. The same again to remove the outer foil. Press in at the sides there and that just pops off really easy. Don't be too firm with that. It should come off in your hands very easily indeed. Now if we want to remove these foils from the frame, we're going to turn it over, and once again we're going to press in at the sides very gently until we feel it come away from the frame, and this is what you can replace. These are our foils. I'm just going to turn it around so you can see. So that's the actual replacement part, and the frame stays. So if you are replacing that, don't throw that frame away. We're going to imagine now that this foil is our replacement foil, and we're going to very simply and very gently pop that back in. You should have heard two very light clicks then. That tells you that it's in the frame, and that's all good. So there we go, that's our outer foils. At the end of the video we'll be popping that back on the head of the shaver, but now let's turn our attention to the inner blades of this shaver, and you've just got to be a little bit gentle at this point here. So we're going to take our first blade here and we're going to just gently wiggle it off its attachment. Don't be too firm, and there we go. See, I just did that with two fingers and that comes away really nicely. Do the same with the other, and again we're going to imagine that this is our replacement blade, and we're going to pop this back on its little perch here. I'm going to try and wiggle it back on, where you've got to be a little bit careful. There you go. And that should click back into place as well. If we turn the shaver like that, you should be able to see that the two blades are nice and level, and that gives you a good indication that that blade is on securely. So we're happy with that. Let's now pop the foil back on until it clicks. There we are. And then you can put the safety cap back on and this shaver is good to go. Now in terms of purchasing those accessories, they are available from our official Panasonic accessories store. Simply go to our support site and follow the links. They're actually available in 3 different packages as well. You can purchase the inner blades on their own, you can purchase the outer foil on its own, or you can purchase the outer foil and inner blades as a package, depending on what you need replacing. So I hope you found this video useful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.